me, Helene here, and today I'm just showing you one of my go-to superfood smoothies that I make, and a little bit variation thereof depending on what I have on hand. And what does this have to do with crochet, you might ask? Well, anything that's healthy and is going to give you great focus and brain function for all of your many endeavors, whatever that may be. So again, depending on what I have on hand, and first, sorry for the jiggle. First off, I want to say and have a disclaimer, I am not making any health claims. I am not sponsored, promoted in any way. This is just with my own research, what I've done, things that I like that make me feel good and that I can consume with the food allergies that I have. Different brands, different things that I've tried. This is what works for me. So today my concoction is kind of like I'm in a bit of a hurry. I really don't want to take the time to prepare a meal, so what better than to put it all in one. What I have in here is I started with some almond milk at the bottom. I added water to that. You could use coconut water, whatever liquids that you choose. And I added a good handful of spinach, and I have all organic produce, fruits and vegetables in here. And I will usually put Swiss chard or rainbow chard if I have it on hand, which I do not. And I will put a slice of lemon and a little bit of parsley in there, all fresh, because from what I've researched, the parsley, the lemon, those are really, it's really good for your organs, the ability for them to detox better and to do the job that they're supposed to do. And it's just a really good boost and overall cleanser, and hopefully everything that I have combined works together. But again, so today I have spinach in there, I have some strawberries. The green right there is a big hunk of avocado. And over to the left, those are mangoes. I also have about 5 good slices of cucumber. I have unsweetened, unsulfured flaked coconut. Sometimes I will throw in some blueberries, whatever different berries seem to have less sugar. They're high in fiber. Mango does have a lot of sugar, so I just put a few chunks, but it's also high in vitamin A and vitamin C. And this brown blob is some chunky almond butter, another good healthy fat in there, and you can see a little bit of cucumber, and like I said, 5 pretty good slices in there. And then the little additions is this is some organic cacao, raw cacao powder. It's a plant-based superfood, natural dark chocolate full of antioxidants. It's also fair trade certified, non-GMO, the whole 9 yards. And I'm trying to watch the amount of carbs and make them count and make it healthy. And so this is non-sweetened, 0 amount of sugar in there, but you could use it for baking if you want to. But on its own, you know, it's not sweet. And there is 4 grams of protein for a 2.5 tablespoon serving. I also tossed some goji berries in there as well. And this I found, I ordered this online on Evine, EVINE.com. It's a new company, I believe, called Nutritionary, and these are all dehydrated mixed berry, antioxidant, all different types of berries. The first ingredient are dried beets, raspberry, cherry, strawberry, acai berry, pomegranate, apple, banana, bilberry, there is goji berry, blackcurrant, and elderberry. Great antioxidant as well. Grape and a couple others, papaya, pineapple, which is really good for digestion, the enzymes in there. So I just put about a 1/2 scoop to boost up the berry flavor in here and to kind of offset some of the greenness to it. Sometimes I might put celery stalk. Oh, and a really good combo is just mango and almond butter, and maybe a third of a banana in there. And if I had banana, I would probably add just a little bit in there for the creaminess and the flavor. If you like cashews, a few cashews can add some really nice creaminess as well. And this again is this berry splash it's organic, gluten-free, non-GMO. What I use that for primarily is I just take maybe a quarter scoop, and I have a supplement that I mix up, and it's all powdered, and it's a combination of marine collagen peptides, MSM, and powdered magnesium. It doesn't have a horrible flavor, but it's not the greatest. So just a quarter scoop of that I mix together, maybe squeeze a little fresh lemon in there, and it tastes like a nice little drink, and that's how I do that particular supplement. But I thought, well, it just enhances and gives me a little more antioxidants and fruit without all the sugar and the calories in there too. This is only 30 calories per one scoop, 7 carbs, has 2 grams of fiber and less than 1 gram of sugar. And this I have been ordering for years and years. It's by a company called Body Wise, and you can go to their website if you want. It's not available in stores. It's through the independent consultant type of company. And they have a vanilla and a chocolate. 20 grams of protein in 2 scoops, 130 calories, only 5 carbs, lots of dehydrated, like tons of cruciferous vegetables that are in here, and it's a really good source of protein. It does have soy in it, and I've kind of been looking for one that does not, but that I can drink, eat, ingest without getting an allergic reaction, which often to me turns into really, really bad, like migraine intensity headache that can go off the charts and last for days. So I saw on YouTube an advertisement for Organifi, and they have a vanilla basic one, and it really looks pretty good. It is rather pricey though, but if you look at it as a meal supplement, sometimes I will just do this with some almond milk just straight up on its own for a snack, or if I'm not that hungry but know I need to keep a good blood sugar level and have some protein for continued brain function, I'll just have that sometimes instead of lunch or for quick kind of on the go morning for breakfast. I'm not that hungry kind of thing. So I might try the Organifi. They do have, I called the company, they have an awesome return policy. You do get a good size container of it, and they have smaller packets, which, the more you buy, usually it's more cost effective. But I just know that if I did have a return at a big container, it would be pretty expensive to mail back. But, I'll have to see. If I do, I'm kind of getting down here in the jar, and I'm on auto ship for this, which I can put on hold at any time. But if I do give it a try, I will let you know what I think of it. So I'm going to go ahead and add my 2 scoops to this, because I am pretty hungry, so it's not quite a full scoop. So I'll just add a little more. And I'm going to blend it up, show you what it looks like. Okay, see you in a minute. And here we go, the finished product. It may not have the prettiest color. It's a combination of the greens and the chocolate in there. And you can taste yours. A little bit of banana really does make a difference. It adds the natural sweetness, very creamy. Add more water or more milk. You can always put a little spoonful of yogurt in. Be creative. Play around with it. Oh, and I did forget to mention that I did add some rainbow baby carrots to that, maybe about 5 or 6, and then also a couple tablespoons of organic ground flaxseed. And that is pretty much it. So cheers, and to good health. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.